I just got the new Clawlab Tufting gun kit. I'm an absolute beginner, but I was able to tuft this whole rug, and it was actually a lot of fun. I haven't done it before, but it's the perfect balance of, I don't know, there's something so satisfying about just putting each of the stitches in there and watching it come together. And it's so fun. You're like tuk, 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 with a little gun, so why wouldn't that be fun? So I'm actually someone that doesn't craft like whatsoever. So this has been like my first craft and I absolutely loved it. It was way more fun than I thought. And I made this for my niece because we do a gift exchange every year and for something homemade. So I thought this would be the perfect thing for her. And it looks super cool and I've been loving it. So basically the kit comes with your Clawlab gun, your cord, your thread. Something that I would highly recommend is go out and buy different yarn, because the yarn that they give you with in their starter kit isn't enough to do a rug this size. So I actually started with the samples that they gave, but then I ran out about halfway through and then I had to try and find the exact matching thread. So I wish I would have just started with the original yarn in the beginning, but other than that, it was awesome. It turned out so fun, and I've been learning a lot more because I made a lot of mistakes with this one. It was my first go at it, but I've been watching more YouTube videos on it, and now I realize how to like do the edges and how I should have done it. So I might have a different game plan the next time I do it, but I've been pumped with it. If you're looking to get started in tufting, this kit gives you everything you need, from the materials to the stand to the tufting gun. The tufting gun is easy, it's quiet, all around. It's been a solid product and it's been fun. I can't wait to make my next rug. Let me know what I should make. There it is. I don't know. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to share with you my experience so far. And I still have to glue this bad boy, and I don't know the full steps. Put a backing on it, and then there you go. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you some insight on the Clawlab Tufting gun.